Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Mealpal, Best Meals Around You, app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Mealpal is a meal subscription app that helps users get affordable, high-quality lunches and dinners from local restaurants. Instead of paying restaurant prices daily, users pre-purchase meal credits or plans, which they can redeem at participating eateries. The app is available on both iOS and Android and is popular in major cities for people who want to save time and money on eating out. The app's main feature is its meal credit system. You choose a plan that offers a set number of meals per month and pre-order from nearby restaurants. Each restaurant offers daily menu options, and users pick up their meal at the scheduled time, skipping lines and wait times. Mealpal also provides a variety of cuisines, from healthy salads to local favorites, making it easy to enjoy different dishes each week. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Mealpal's cost savings, often getting restaurant-quality meals for nearly half the price. It's praised for being easy to use, convenient for office workers, and ideal for those who want predictable, quick meals during busy days. The rotating menus and wide restaurant network add variety, and the pre-order system reduces wait times. However, there are some drawbacks. The biggest limitation is time flexibility. You must pick up meals during specific windows, which can be inconvenient for unpredictable schedules. It's also available only in select cities, and skipping meals or refunds can be tricky since the system runs on prepaid credits. Some users also mention limited healthy options depending on the area. In summary, the Mealpal app may be worth using if you regularly eat out, want to save money, and enjoy trying new restaurants without paying full price. However, if you prefer dining flexibility, spontaneous eating, or food delivery, it might not be the best fit. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.